Hey, sometimes working with Google Sheets gets uncomfortable. And one of the problems that people often face is when their large piece of text doesn't fit into the cell. So what you need to do in such situations? In this video, I am going to explain a very easy solution to this problem. So what you need to do is, first of all, please highlight the text that doesn't fit into the cell. And after that, go to the toolbar and try to find text wrapping tool. So this one is a text wrapping tool. So once you find it, click on it. And once you click it, it will present you three options. The very first option is overflow. Next one is wrapping. Wrapping is making your text fit into the cell. And the third option means clipping. So in this situation, we need to just wrap it. So if we wrap it, and now here you can see that your large piece of text now fits into the cell. So your problem is solved.